Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Tuesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 14th of May 2024. US Dow Jones fell 0.21%, settling the day at 39,431.51 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,388.24, rising 0.29%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 38,207.47 and Hang Seng is trading at 19,263.69. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 22,246, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 4,498.92 crores in the cash market in the last trading session. India's retail inflation marginally eases to 4.83% in April, but food prices continue to rise. Japanese carmaker Suzuki Motor Corporation said it will continue to expand SUV portfolio in India to recover its overall market share in the passenger vehicle segment. TCS to set up first-of-its-kind human-centric AI Center of Excellence in France. Now talking about global aspects, HSBC ups Nvidia stock price target amid NVL server pricing strength. US federal debt is the biggest long-term downside risk for markets. WTI rose 0.8% to settle at $78.92 a barrel, while Brent climbed 0.5% to $83.21 a barrel. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.84%, up. The US dollar is trading at 105.13, up by 0.05. Here is a recap of Monday's trading session. Domestic benchmark indices staged a notable recovery from lower levels, driven by buying interest from investors, attracted to lucrative pricing dynamics. This resurgence occurred in anticipation of the forthcoming release of domestic inflation data. The key indices, Sensex and Nifty, settled the day with minor gains, at 72,776.13 and 22,104.05 respectively, driven by strength in the pharma, metals, and private banks, whereas auto and energy stocks traded in red trajectory. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has been trading within a broad range of 21,750 to 22,400 over the past few months, and it's currently approaching the lower end of this range, a critical support level at 21,750 for the short term. With a decisive break below the immediate support at 22,300 observed on Thursday, the Nifty is anticipated to experience further downward movement in the short term. The immediate resistance level is pegged at 22,250. The Bank Nifty is now targeting its next immediate support level at 47,000, and if breached, it could lead to intensified selling pressure, potentially pushing it down to around 46,600. At present, the index encounters immediate resistance around the 48,000 mark, where there's notable aggressive call writing activity. A decisive breakthrough above this resistance level could prompt short covering actions, potentially driving the index higher towards the 48,800 mark. Stocks on radar are BAML, AB, Hind Zinc, Siemens. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.